Welcome back to Picture Healer channel. We are at the end of Feng Shui Period 8 and we are going to start Period 9 in 2024. Each Feng Shui period lasts for 20 years and there are totally 9 Feng Shui periods. So after Period 9, we return to Period 1. So in this video, I want to look at the difference between Period 8 and Period 9. What's the change of energy and popular careers in Period 9? First, we'll look at the Luo Shu chart with the 9 numbers. Each number represents a star and is related to certain direction and certain energy. Period 8 started from 2004 until 2023. And when we look at the map, it's related to northeast. And in Ba Gua, it's called the Geng Gua. The number 8 is related to Earth's energy. So in Period 8, everything is more stable and it's related to wealth, properties, financial luck. So Period 8 has been a prosperous time in general. And generally, the society is pretty stable. When we look at the Period 9, you see the number 9 is related to the south direction. And in Ba Gua, it's called the Li Gua, and Li means fire. So we transition from the earth's energy to the fire energy. So we'll see a lot of characters related to fire. And unlike Period 8, the Period 9 can be more chaotic, stronger energy, more competition, fighting, and maybe even wars. People are more quick-tempered and more emotional, impulsive. So for Period 9, it can be a time for breaking the old and starting something new. It's a very creative energy and everything can go very quick, very fast. We can break down the old rules quickly and build something new. So there will be a lot of changes and a lot of new directions. And even though in appearance, the star number 9 brings a lot of happiness, beautiful and shiny appearance, but inside it can be empty. In Period 9, even though we have a lot of advance of technology, and we connect with other people easily with social media, phones, and emails. But somehow people also become more lonely and colder, and you can feel more disconnected or depressed. So that's the both sides of the fire energy. Since we have strong fire energy in Period 9, that could also mean the depletion of the water energy, because too much fire can deplete the water. So water-related careers and business can be compromised. And the wood element generates fire. So wood-related career and business can be very lucky during Period 9. And that usually means education, publishing, counseling, or therapy type of career. And the Li Gua is also related to middle-aged female or the second daughter. So in Period 9, the middle-aged female or the second daughter can become very powerful and in charge more. So what are the examples of careers related to fire element? First, we will look at any industry that's related to light, heat, fire, or energy. That can mean solar power, wind power, electricity, and so on. So coming up with any alternative way of generating energy can become very popular in Period 9. Another character of the Li Gua energy is a spiritual side. In Period 8, it's more about material world, the wealth you can accumulate, or real estate or product you can touch. But in Period 9, we look into more spiritual side more mind-body connection, and the invisible side or the metaphysical side more. That can mean more interest in religion, in culture, and any spiritual development. So any career related to that will become popular. Maybe meditation, a yoga teacher, a psychologist, or some type of counselor. The third characteristic of the fire Li Gua is about bright exterior. Just like fire, your exterior should be shiny and beautiful. So related industry include makeup, beauty, skincare, fashion, plastic surgery, or you can be an interior designer. Those are all very popular career choices. And entertainment industry can also become very popular, such as acting, film, photography, anything to do with your vision and a creative energy. The next character of the Li Gua, the fire energy, is related to computer and internet or any electronics. It gives out heat, light, and connect you with other people. So in period 9, the technology of AI, the virtual reality, will become very popular. And online social media will also continue to grow. And any content creator, such as a blogger, YouTuber, can become very popular in period 9. And the next character is about self-centered. Everybody will become their own brand. So instead of the traditional way of working for a big company, more and more people want to have their own business, become their own boss, and create their own independent product or business. So we are more self-focused instead of working together in a big corporation. And the last point is about health, because the fire is related to upper part of human body, including your head, eyes, your heart, and the blood circulation system. So those areas are also focused in period 9. We can be more sensitive to the eyes, head, and the heart problems. But if we take good care of ourselves, our eyes, our brain, our heart will become our strong point. This can be your biggest asset. For example, what you see with your eyes, your brain, and your heart can make a big difference. And if you are in a career related to vision or visual artist or visual design, it will become very lucky in period 9. It can mean literally, such as eye doctor, or it can mean more symbolic, maybe your vision, how you see the world, and how you see yourself. Your perception can be a key factor in period 9. So use these characters wisely. We can take advantage and incorporate some of these lucky careers and pay attention to possible downsides of these characters. So that's the period 9's energy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time.